How to sell stuff for gold in TBH taskbar hero. I'm just gonna open up the menu here, and then you wanna select cube. The only way of how you can sell for gold is gonna be doing alchemy here. So you will see your cube level. If you have leveled up a little bit using synthesis, you will have unlocked alchemy. Now, in order to do this, you will just use or add any item here which you want to sell, and it's going to calculate how much you will get here. Now, in order to sell the item, you will click on this button here. Also, you can just use autofill to fill out all of the items, but I'm just gonna do it for one. And you will click on the sell button. It's gonna destroy the item itself and give you the gold, and boom, just like that, plus 250, and you will have also gained a little bit of XP for your cube. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.